Okay, hey girls. So I think I'm only working with two of you, but either way, this is going to benefit you next year. So this is how we can find the slope from the graph. So we have a point here and a point here. We could simply count to get the slope, or we could do this from an ordered pair, which we'll get into in the next one. But this dot here is an ordered pair, and this dot here is an ordered pair. Like, the coordinates of this ordered pair would be 3, 5, and this ordered pair down here would be 5, -5. Whoops. 5, -5. So, but for this page, they just want us counting. Okay, so notice this line goes in the negative direction. That means the slope is going to be negative. Remember when we did scatter plots? Right? So down and to the right would be a negative correlation, and then up and to the right would be a positive. So this is negative. That's why there's a negative sign. So let's do this. So from here to here, we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're falling 10, and remember, we're always running to the right. So from here to here, we're running 1, 2. So when you take -10 divided by 2, you get -5. And that's how you get the slope for that one. This one's going to be negative again because it's going in the negative direction. So we're going to count from here to here. You're not counting on a diagonal, you're counting vertically and then horizontally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's going to be -10. And we're running 1, 2, 3. Remember, this is the rise and this is the run. And we can't reduce this one to get a whole number, so you just leave it an improper fraction. Okay, this one here is going in the positive direction, so we don't have a sign there which indicates that it's positive. So we're just going to be counting rise. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our rise. And we're running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4/10 reduces to 2/5. So your slope, or your m, remember, your m value is 2/5. This one here, we're going in the positive direction again. So from this point to that point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're rising 5. And what are we running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So m equals 5/10, which we can reduce to 1/2. Make sure you always reduce. This is positive again, so we don't have a negative sign. We're rising 1, 2, and we're running 10, which reduces to 1/5. Notice this line is going in the negative direction, so that's why we have a negative sign. So this is going 5 and 5, so that's -10. And what are we running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -10/7. This is going in the positive direction, so what do we go? We're rising 1, 2, and 5, and another 5 is 10. So we reduce that to 1/5. And we're going in the positive direction. This one's quite steep, so the number is going to be bigger. So we're rising 5, 10, got a rise of 10, and a run of, right, this point just comes up there, 1, 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so that's the answers for that page. Sound okay? I guess I'll just make a video for every page.